energy because I haven't been on the road yet, and basically my computer's my life. But I haven't yet. Let's get it, chat. Let me see what I need to do before I start hosting the show. Got about 5 minutes. To the vibe coders out there, as soon as I open your screen, you can share your microphone, and then I'll probably interview you so that the stream can also ask questions and stuff. And I just want to learn. I want to learn as much as possible, chat. I want to learn the way that you guys think about vibe coding, what your approaches are going to be. Let me know. I see everybody popping in. Today has got his C, Elliot, Balta. We're still missing a few, but they've got 5 minutes, and otherwise they're late to class, chat. They've got 5 minutes, and otherwise they're late to class. I think Hunter's streaming as well today, chat. Well, I think Hunter will be streaming in 5 minutes at least. Alright, chat. I think we're ready to start the show, and I'm just gonna start going over visiting some vibe coders. We just need Nick and the others that are here. I see whoever's having issues sharing their screen, let me know. But start sharing your screen so that I can go in and look how you guys are building. Let me just double mute here. Alright, so I'll mute my room for now, so we don't get too much sound bothering. Noxious, shout out to you. Josh is locked in. Josh, did you figure it out? Let me know, man, Josh. And otherwise, I'll tap in and send Under over, and Hunter will help you out. Mims, shout out. Orale. Let's get it, Mims.
Definitely. Bring home the bacon. The prof player, you can hear me. Bring home the bacon. Oh, the prof player, you know I'm gonna bring home the bacon. Okay.
Alright, chat. 12 hours. Let's lock in. We'll keep the vibes in chill, because we're gonna be streaming 12 hours.
Hey Josh, just so you know, you're off mute. Hey Josh, just so you know, you're off mute.
Oh, I'm still hearing that.
I'm gonna be talking to my dad.
Guys, you can hear me and you're not being interviewed, or I'm not interviewing you. Try to mute your microphone in the hackathon room. Just keep your screen share open. Try to mute your microphone in the hackathon room. Just keep your screen share open. Someone's left their mic open still, chat. Alright, we're good. Someone's left their mic open still, chat. All right.
I'm not sure what prompt I want to do here.
Alright, Freaky Ninja just
All right,
popped in.
so
Let's let
Tip
them all
Tap
pop in.
Games.
What's up, Easy? Welcome to the stream, man. The mute option not working, Aldin? Well, it probably for you it isn't, because you might be admin, but it should be working, chat. All right, Aldin. Cybertech in the viewer room, nice. Okay, let's just go into the first viewer chat and guys, I'm gonna start interviewing other vibe coders, so you can mute the room, and then if it's up once it's your turn, I'll just ping you, or you can just listen to the questions. The first one I'm gonna check out is Abbas. Abbas, if you can unmute yourself, that would be cool, man. Abbas, if you can unmute yourself, 3 ideas, and you pick one. Yeah. 3 ideas, and you pick one. There should be a button. Yeah. You got next to the camera, you got 4 buttons, and at the end you got a speaker button. That should be the main mute button. You got next to the camera, you got 4 buttons, and at the end you got a speaker button. That should be the main mute button. All right.
Okay, some reason it's not working for me. I can still hear you.
Click it a few times. It'll start working.
Maybe.
All right, vibe code.
Click it
I'll see if I can get it done. I'm gonna push it in Replit as we speak, so I'll see if I can get it done in a few moments. I'll see if I can get it done. I'm gonna push it in Replit as we speak, so I'll see if I can get it done in a few moments. 1 second.
Tommy,
All right, that might be true because I'm admin, so that might be annoying for you guys. Okay, let me fix that. All right, that might be true. All right, Josh, I heard it on the voice.
By the way.
All right, Josh, I heard it on the voice.
Tommy, this is the best.
Thank you, G. I appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Good stuff, man.
Thank you, G. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Let me fix the thing in Replit right now, chat. So that's the beautiful thing about Replit, chat. I am monitoring the situation as well. So let me go to Replit. Let me log in. Hey, if Replit was doing it on stream for their build-a-thon chat, no problem that we do it as well, right? Shout out, shout out. Let me go to the hackathon room. I'm gonna have to leave this one for a moment. And then I'm coming here, Replit, and then I'll go to the hackathon again. I'm not building anything, Amine. I'm not building anything. No, you're good, Freaky. Don't worry, you're good, man. All right. I would like to set this mute button to mute everybody, including the admin, so when users click mute, they don't get bothered. But I would like to add an option for the admin. Once I open the live screen share of a viewer, I should be able to ping them so they know to turn on their mic. Chat, we're gonna run it in pro just because we're live. Oh man, this is slow. Come on, man, don't run it like that. Okay, so let's just run that and see if we can get that fixed. Hunter, you should be able to enter, Hunter. Most people are in it, so it's the third room here, the hackathon room. It's the third room here, the hackathon room. So make sure you're in the right room. And while we're doing that, let's just let the agent work here, chat.
Oh man, I'm not sure what I'm feeling here.
Let me know if you're able to join Hunter, and if you have any issues, check in with the other Hunter in Discord. He'll most likely be able to help us. Okay, just let that debug a moment. Chat, I'm giving away a $100 plan today. Don't forget, just keep chatting. I'll tap into it after the stream once the bug is fixed. 12-hour stream, Noxious. 12 hours straight. Let's see what vibe codes are made of, chat. Let's see who goes to who rage quits first. All right, Nick's sharing as well. Let's go. Nathan still needs to share his screen so we can see his build. Chat, we've got the Replit coupon code. Let me download that. Somehow it's giving issues for the. I'm just do it like this, chat. All right, chat. What you see on my screen should be the Replit code. If you enter that into Replit, chat, you'll get your core subscription. I'm just running it real fast like that, chat, but that way, use this code for your core subscription. It's free, $20 in credits, chat. Let's see, Noxious. Let's see how good the build is. If you're confident you can get it done in 3 hours, you can submit it. Kizzer, I'll be checking in on Kizzer in a few as well. Shout out Kizzer, man. Let's just get Replit burning some tokens on the side. Adonis, welcome to the stream, man. The hackathon has started. Go to the hackathon room, scroll around, you'll find the challenges. I believe you're joined into the hackathon, so. No, that code's for everybody, let me know. So if you guys want to get vibe coding, just enter the code REPLIXDVC. It's for a call subscription, chat. Go into the room and start streaming, Nathan. Yeah, just your screen. And I'll pop in after and I'll interview you as well. Then you can share your mic. But just share your screen so that I can see all the screens. And then we can kind of gamify it with everybody. I believe this should be it. Yeah, see, all the screens are getting there. I'll check back in a few, chat. Let's just let Replit do its work. We gotta fix that bug so we don't annoy people on stream, chat. Just let that open there. Don't worry, Replit is working. Don't worry, chat. I got this. Don't forget, chat. Go visit all the viewers, all the streamers. Some vibe coders are streaming right now, chat. Go support them. Tap in. Whoever wants to build one of the challenges, you can find the PDF briefings in the Discord. We've got 3 challenges going, so if you want to compete with the vibe coders, only now you can't compete in the challenge because that's closed. But we'll have a hackathon every single month, chat, and the prizes are getting bigger and bigger every single month. So shout out to the vibe coders from around the world, chat. If you want a Dollar Vibe Club account, it's free, chat, free forever, so just tap in. If you've got questions about Dollar Vibe Club, let me know. The biggest advantage energy is things like running multiple tasks. I think you even get better models in some cases. I wouldn't know 100% sure energy, but that's what I think the biggest advantage is. Alright. Logo is good. Come on, man. Build that mute button so that I can publish it. Chat, we're solving a bug real quick. The vibe coders are already vibing, so everybody's getting started on their project. I can't wait to see how people are building, in what they are building. Nathan's screen sharing, that's great. Nice. Alright.
Alright, let's go ahead and start 3 Codex agents as well.
While the agents
Starting
are
up 3
working,
Codex agents.
I might as well put it here. You can see everybody's already getting started, chat. Some people have their briefing open. Some people have their streams open. Some people already have their agents open. And chat, please bear in mind, Replit is definitely the way to go when you launch an app. But you can build with your agents as well. Codex, Claude, just use the Git function in Replit. Don't sleep on the features in Replit. Stylized paint, it sure has stylized. It sure has. We're about to go and interview every single vibe coder. We're just vibe coding a little bug fix. Biggest hack for go-to-market.
Alright, we're gonna lock.
Can Replit help with go-to-market?
Did you mean to say lock or something else? I'm not sure what you'd like to happen.
Close our voice session.
So the biggest hack.
Got it. Ending our voice conversation now.
What's up, Manny? What's up, Manny? Shout out to Manny, everybody. W's in the chat for Manny. He's part of Replit. He's in the Replit team chat. And again, shout out to Replit. Manny, you got all the vibe coders here, man. We're gonna start interviewing them all. They're all getting started. I'm just debugging something on stream, Manny. Don't tell nobody. But welcome to the stream. We'll be here for the next 12 hours. So let's get it, chat. We'll be here for the next 12 hours. Feel free to pop in from time to time, chat. Adonis, you go to the Dollar Vibe Club.
Alright,
You go to the
so
hackathon room. You take your seat.
we're gonna
and
do the
start
tip
sharing
tap
your screen.
games.
Hunter, you are in the room, and let me see if you're sharing your screen. Hunter's sharing his screen, and Hunter's already picked the brief. Let's go see what he's building. Chat real quick. Hunter's going for tip tap games, or what's he building? Hunter, you can turn on your mic if you want. You can talk to the stream and say hi. Let's know what you're gonna start vibe coding, Hunter. I'm curious. Let me turn on my mic as well, chat. Well, I can't turn on my mic yet, Hunter. I can't turn my mic on yet, so you can only hear me through the stream because Replit is debugging right now. I'm not sure if I can hear you, Hunter. I'm not sure if we can hear you, so wait till I debug it. Don't worry about the mic, just continue vibe coding. That's the most important. Alright. I see Abbas is working, Balta's working. I like to see what he's working in chat. That looks interesting. Elliot is coding already. Nathan's on it. Nathan's coding already as well, I think. Nice, 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 nice. Chat or vibe coders, if you share your screen, share the screen that you're building in, so your replicate or your agent or whatever, so that the viewers can come here as well and they can see what you're building. So share your screen and share your build.
But we can all hear each other.
No, Adonis, click again, man. That's just default. Just click again.
Ah, yeah, it's possible.
The hackathon
SOD.
room is open for
Let me
100
build.
people at least, so we should be good. Other people had the same issue as you before, Adonis, so try it again.
Alright, let's see.
Debug live, Manny, exactly like you and Raymar back in the days when of the first build-a-thon. Debugging live. Let's see if we can publish it. Alright, publish live chat. Debug live. It's a risky business to do it live chat, but that's the business we're in, chat. Oh, I gotta go to my nephew's account, publish it. One moment. We are in a work zone chat in Replit, so you can work with teams on Replit. That's why we also use it, obviously. Let me publish. And then once that's published, we'll be able to go. Let me close it here. So preview, come here, log out, come here, go to the hackathon room, and then we get to see if all the vibe codes are vibing. Alright, they're all vibing. It's getting almost full house. We still have about 20 vibe codes to show up, man. People late to class. People late to class. Yes, Amine, you can click a screen and you can add a comment here. And then I'll add your comment into the stream and talk about it. Abbas, what's Abbas doing, chat? Let's just look without talking. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, he's on that. What is that? That's quad, I think, chat. Oh, he's already running it, chat.
Alright, for Jordan, ask what auth solution and what database solution it wants to recommend.
80% is planning.
Asking Jordan for recommendations now.
We do it live, Manny. There's no other way, man. That's the vibe coding live we're in. We do it live. We stream it live. And chat, don't forget, support the streamers as well. Just go to their channels. You know the vibes. Let me just wait till the publish is done, chat, and then we'll continue the show. Alright, chat. I think 2 seconds.
Go ahead and close out our voice session.
Noxious. It's already 11 p.m. here in
Closing
India,
this
so I can't
session.
stay up
Talk
until
later.
5, 6 to build. Hope future hackathons work better. Well, it's always going to be like that, Noxious, because we're
Hey,
a
Max.
global company. And out here it's 12 a.m. and we're going till 12 p.m. chat. We're not stopping today. Can I use other AI plans to build? Absolutely. You can use any other plan that you want. And my advice is deploy it and start it in Replit Abbas. And then have another agent fine tune it and use the two. Use the best of both worlds, Abbas. That's my true advice. Why do I work or promote Replit, chat, or do I believe in it and use it for myself? I said it on Twitter before, chat. Replit is a $9 billion company. They have $9 billion hosting infrastructure, $9 billion support, $9 billion community care team. So you get all that in. I've got about 50 clients running each on their own Replit account, and that makes my life and my business and my agency run seamless, chat. And if anything ever happens with their website on Replit, the first thing I do is reach out to Replit, and usually they're pretty fast, chat, I ain't gonna lie. The whole night it is, Prince. Lock in, man. Alright, chat. We are 10 minutes into the stream, so maybe let me just say this on Vibe Coders. I'm still working on the mute fix, but I just want to say good luck to everybody. We're still waiting for about 10 people, but in about 15 minutes I'll start passing by everyone's room and seeing what they're building. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck, everybody.
Thanks. Good luck. Thanks. Good luck.
Well, I mean, hey, I would beg to differ. I would beg and argue to differ. I think you should follow Amjad, the top G of Replit. I think you will find out pretty much.
Go ahead and have Jordan put its recommendations for the tech stack and for how we would tackle this project into an MD file of Claude suggestions.md.
Right now, you can't deny the best tools in the market.
Vibe Max spatial interface has Jordan on it already. Anything else I can help with?
No, that'll be alright.
Starbucks, you wouldn't be drinking Coca-Cola.
All right, have a great day.
Get your mindset right, man. We're here to make money. We're here to
Actually, go ahead and open up an open code session.
One open code agent coming right up. Anything else I can do for you?
Ain't gonna lie. Option 2. Ain't gonna lie.
Let's go ahead and have Mia analyze the same PDF for the prompt and see what it recommends to build up this
Welcome to the stream, man.
platform.
Mia isn't listed here. Did you want to prompt one of the running agents, like Leah, Owen, Jordan, Lily, Amber, or Sophie? Or perhaps spawn a new agent instead?
We just started Mia. Look again.
I still don't see Mia. Maybe she was started as a different type.
Shout out to you, man. Keep running that stream.
Can you see the agent Mia?
Mia is right there. Looking at anything specific?
Nice to see all the vibes.
All right, go ahead and ask Mia
Here we have the streamers.
basically to look at the PDF for Tip Tap Games and see what it would take to build up this project and what it recommends.
Got it. I've sent that request to Mia. Let's see what she suggests.
He's just on here because he's a top G chat. All right, Hunter. I'll check in a few moments. I'll check in a few moments. I'll check in a few moments. If the bug fix doesn't work, chat, we'll use the Discord channel. But it should work, chat. Don't worry. W-Replit, that's my opinion too. Out of all the applications, chat, that's made
yeah, I
me
could
money
hear
the
you.
last year, it's Replit and Codex, and arguably Claude as well. And you guys see what I've made the past year on stream, or the past 4 months on stream, like. All right. Oh, did they stop sharing? Let me see. Oh shit, chat, the room crashed, I think. Shit. Oh no, we're good. Damn, chat. Damn, chat, something's wrong. Chat, I think all you vibe coders need to refresh because I think we kicked a bunch of people in the room. Shit, chat, that's a fail. Well, it's the first of 12 hours, so we got time to mess up. It's the first 12 hours. Shit, chat, what's going on here? Hunter, can you instantly check if there's an issue with the room, chat? I'm having issues here, apparently. Oh no, it still seems to be working for the users. Let me log out and log in. Damn, chat. It's all good, chat. We're here to live and learn, chat. There's nothing really that stresses me out, so we'll figure it out. All right, and we're back, chat. We're back. All right, everybody's still locked in. Let's go. Damn, chat.
Yeah, it's worse.
Damn, chat. I was almost panicking. We're good. W's, Elijah. Change that energy, man. W's, we're all good. W's, chat. I was panicking too fast, chat. Don't worry. Alright, let's just go randomly. I want to see what Balta's doing, man. What's he building in? Oh, wow, chat. Look, he's built his own, damn. He's built his own, coding terminal, I think. Nice. Nice, that homie is locked in. We'll be back at Balta in a few moments, chat. We'll start interviewing him in a few. That's nice. Born, are you streaming? Alright, Born's burning already. What's he burning? The Claude. Alright, so that's Claude, 2 for 2. Elliot, what you building? Wow. Elliot's built his own IDE as well, chat. Nice. Wow, chat, this is cool. I know Elliot is the winner of our last challenge, chat. So shout out to Elliot. Nice. Tip Tap Games, chat. He's chosen Tip Tap Games. That's nice. Interesting. Very cool. Very cool, Elliot. Freaky Ninja. What's Freaky Ninja doing? Freaky Ninja is in Claude. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hunter. Hunter is planning it out, chat, in GPT. Let's fucking go. I see a lot of Tip Tap Games, chat. I see a lot of people choosing Tip Tap Games. Josh. Ooh, Josh has got a nice AI setup. Ah, nice. He's planning it out as well. What is he running, chat? What is he running? What game is he? What is he building? I can't see it here, what he's chosen. Well, we'll figure it out in a few moments. We'll figure it out in a few moments. Who's the next one? Kizza. Shout out Kizza. Kizza's building already. I knew Kizza would be building in Replit, chat. The passport for builders who ship. Let's fucking go, Kizza. I was actually thinking, damn, Kizza, I ain't even gonna say what I was thinking, but shout out to you, man. Let me clap it up for the vibe coders so far. Keep them grinding. We got Mims. Orale, Mike. Mike is building in his own IDE. I know he has Legion. Legion is something that Mike is built from the ground up, chat. Shout out, Mike. Orale, Mike. I'm not sure if we can hear you because I've muted my speaker, so I'll interview you later.
So
Mike, don't worry.
Codex is taking a
nice.
sweet time.
Mike is on it, man. Nathan. Shout out Nathan Youngblood. Nathan, you better hide that credit card on screen.
So
you better hide that credit card on screen. Nah, I'm fucking with you, Nathan. Don't worry, I'll let you get set up. I'll check back in with you later. Let's see, Nova, Nick. Nick is.
all right, let's go ahead and ask Leah to create a GitHub repo, so we can start getting everything committed to GitHub.
Asking Leah to create a GitHub repo for you.
Nova is gone for a moment.
All right, and then let's ask Amber to do some research on if we could start a Superbase project via the CLI.
What is it? Damn, 3 agents.
Sending that research task to Amber now.
Homie is ready. Homie is ready. Dangerously skip permissions. Damn, chat. Homie's showing off right now. I'll just leave this on 1 minute.
I actually don't know if it's possible. I'll go ahead and close our voice session.
Understood. Have a great day.
Codex, let's go, baby. First codex, chat. First codex that I'm seeing. Pull up Once Upon a Doodle. All right, there's a nice mix of people have chosen different ideas. Chat, I love it, man. And that's good because you get to see, like, everybody's different, chat. Everybody wants to go a different route. What is Prince building? Once Upon a Doodle, nice. That's 2 Once Upon a Doodles, chat. That's very cool. Quad, shout out to the homie Quad. Shout out to the homie Quad. Ooh, he's got his quad flow system going. Ooh, that's looking nice, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Quad's even got a phone number on screen, chat. So if you want to call Quad, and I'll show you, I'll visit the stream.
All right, go ahead and tell Amber to create a hosted Superbase project called Dollar Vibe Club.
Let's go, Quad. Good luck.
I've sent that request to Amber for you.
Let me look at Sunrise. Sunrise. What are you?
All right, so what I want to do is I want to start building out the infrastructure for the auth and for the actual guest.
He's running in Replit, multiple tasks I see. He's got his planning screen.
All right, so let's go ahead and talk to Jordan about how we are going to build out the infrastructure for auth and the guest version of the games.
Nice, look at him go, look at him go. Swipe feed.
I've asked Jordan about that auth infrastructure. Anything else for him?
The Tip Tap Games, and I'm already seeing it come to life now. Turayo, shout out to you.
To answer Amber, it should be under the Elliot organization.
Got it. So should I pass that message on to Jordan that it's for the Elliot project, or did you want to do something else?
No, pass that off to Amber.
Done. I've directed that information to Amber. Anything else you need?
We still got
No, that'll be it
22
right now.
vibe coders that are late to the game. But I
All right,
always
sounds
expect a
good.
few
Talk
to be
again
late,
soon.
So let's see if they pull up or not. All right, let me just do one thing, chat, and shout out all the streamers that we have going. So let's go visit them all. We got, I believe Roberto is streaming. Yes, we got Roberto in the chat. And sorry, chat, I'll check the chat in a few moments. So shout out to Roberto. Let's look at this point of view, chat. He's streaming hackathon. There we go. Drop a message in his chat. Let's go say hi to him. Roberto, you know the vibes, chat. It's all about supporting each other, chat, and you'll see. The more good you are to the universe, chat, the more good the universe is to you. It's that simple, chat.
Bueno, vamos a ver.
Doing good, doing good. I'm not gonna stick around too long. Let's go to the next one. Mike is streaming as well, chat. Let's go to Mike. Oh no, Mike's not streaming today. Mike, you better be streaming, man. But go tap into Mike's channel as well. Next up is Nick. Nick is doing really good work, chat. Nick is live right now, I believe, with 3,000 viewers. W Nick. W at Nick. W.
All right, what do we have here?
W 3000. Very nice, chat. You can see he's locked in. He's only been streaming 23 days, chat. Anything's possible. Let's close it out, chat. Let's go to the next vibe coder. Just dropping the love. AI Mastery. This is Josh, chat. Josh has also been streaming. Oh, I didn't drop the Nick link. Let me drop that. Shout out to AI Mastery. He's popping off 8 viewers. Don't forget to like the streams, chat.
Yes. W, Tommy, are you trying to tap in?
No, not right now. I'm just going and showing some love to all the streamers. Nathan, shout out Nathan. Nathan's a young blood, chat. He's going 12 hours. He might be going 12 hours. There you go. He's on 5 viewers. W at Nathan.
All right, so I should have.
Let's go get their streams up, chat. Show some love to everybody. CX Nation, you're late to the hackathon, man.
Yo, Tommy, what is up?
What idea did he pick?
What is up?
I think he picked Tip Tap, chat. I think he picked Tip Tap. And then Quad. Quad should be streaming as well.
All right, so go ahead and tell Jordan that I created the Super Base project.
Let me drop
So make
Nathan's
sure that
link
they
as well, chat.
are able to see that. And then let's start building out the entire guest and kind of claim routes
Go
that we're
follow them,
going
and
to
Quad's
need
out here.
and get the foundational auth set up.
Challenge?
Very cool, chat.
Oh, hey, wait. Let's look at this.
Oh, look at that, chat.
All right, let's go ahead and tell
Look at
Jordan
the
about
socializer.
that we
That's
made a
crazy,
Super Base
man.
project and that
Yeah,
we
man,
need to
these
start
guys
working
know
on
what
the
we need,
infrastructure
chat.
for
These vibe
guests
coders, they're on their
and
shit, chat,
for
I ain't gonna lie.
auth.
They definitely know what's up, chat. They definitely
Forwarding
know
that to
what's up.
Jordan.
All right, we'll let him keep vibe coding, chat. I need to take a stretcher for 1 minute. I'm being 1 hour in, so every hour I have to take a little stretcher, chat. But let's keep them. Let's keep the vibes going. I'll be back in 1 minute, chat.
This Codex agent is doing way too much.
I hear ya. Is there something specific you'd like me to tell them to stop or focus on, or did you want to close that session?
No. Don't make any changes, but you can close our voice session.
Goodbye for now.
This is crazy. Why is Codex is making a freaking Office doc in LibreOffice? That's crazy.
All right, chat. Round two. Round two, we get to take it a bit slower, chat. Round two, we get to take it a bit slower. I am going to check my Discord 1 minute. I'm just going to go to my Discord 1 minute and I'm going to see what Hunter sent me. Give me a moment. All right, so what I will do, chat, I will just call you on Discord if I want to interview you. That might be a better way to do it without disturbing the room. So if you are a vibe coder and you are watching my stream and you're competing in the hackathon, please send me a message on Discord and just write your name and then I know to call you. The first one I'm going to call is Abbas. So let's see if I can find Abbas out here. Find the story, Abbas. Here we go. The first one we're going to call is Abbas, chat. Let's go to Abbas and let's start the interview round, chat. Let's learn together, chat. Let's go full screen. And let's see if the homie picks up, chat. Chat, if you have questions, you can come here and you can type them in Abbas's chat and I should see him. I should see him. Yo, Abbas, what's up?
Hi.
Hi, welcome. You're live on stream right now. So I'm looking at your screen and I think the stream can hear you. Hunter, can you drop a W in the chat if you can hear him? Abbas?
Thank you, Hunter, for the deal.
Thank you for joining, man. And I'm happy that you picked Tip Tap Games because that's one of the $1 million ideas that I got in my head. So if you win, we're going to commercialize it. It's looking good what you got so far. Abbas, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you,
Yes.
How old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding?
I'm 21. I'm from Iraq. I got to vibe coding. I don't know, like it's step by step. Like,
Did you code in the past? Did you do any website building in the past or any web design business?
yes, I did. I did with my project, but it's not. I need to run it if you want to see it.
No. Focus on your hackathon, man. Focus on your hackathon.
Yeah.
What,
Because
what?
I host it on my same computer for now because I'm just a startup.
All right. Well, I'm excited to see what you're going to get done in Tip Tap Games. Can I ask you, why did you choose Tip Tap Games from the two other challenges?
So Tip Tap Games because it's like scrolling media, so it's nice.
All right.
I mean, yeah, it's good idea to have in portfolio.
All right. I like the designs that you have so far. Okay. And then what are you going to be building today?
This one.
In Codex.
Yes. No, not in Codex. Maybe mixed.
All right. Well, I'm curious to see how it goes. I'm going to end the call here and I'll go to the next vibe coder, but welcome to the hackathon and I'm excited to see the end product.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you.
All right, G.
Opportunity.
Talk to you in a few. All right, chat. That was Abbas, 21 from Iraq, a young blood, chat, a young blood. Let's go to the homie Balta. I gotta find Balta's name. Balta, here we go. Accept friend. Call him. Yeah. Balta, if you're watching the stream, can you accept the friend request in Discord so I can speak to you on voice? If you can accept it on Discord, let's see if he hears us, chat. Let's see if he hears us. Come on, Balta. Turn on that Discord, boy. Balta, turn on the Discord, man. All right, let's see. One moment. I'm gonna say, Guys, I'm gonna call all the vibe coders one by one on Discord. That's gonna be easier to share the voice on my stream. So Balta, if you can accept me, you're up next. If you guys can hear me. I'm not sure if he heard me, chat.
Yes.
Alright. He heard me. Tell him Discord. No, I believe he's coding right here. He's at his desk. Balta. Alright, I'll ask him if he hops on Discord. Come on, Balta. Yo, Balta, can you hear me? Balta, I'm trying to connect with you on Discord. Balta.
Dude, Codex is tripping.
Yeah, I'm in the Discord. In the Discord with Hunter.
Accept me on Discord. I sent a friend request.
Ah, okay.
Alright, I also want to know what he's building in chat. I think this is something he built himself. Yo, Balta, give me 1 minute.
Yep.
Alright. Chat, you guys can hear Balta? Balta, the first thing people want to know before I even ask your age and where you're from is, what are you building in? Did you build Nexa yourself?
No. It's an app that I found last week, and I tried.
Alright, it looks really nice. It looks really, really nice.
Yes.
Appealing. Very
I
appealing
really
to the eye.
recommend it.
Balta, may I ask, how old are you, where are you from, and how did you get into vibe coding?
I'm from Argentina. I
Messi.
have 25 years old. And I entered in the vibe coding world because it's very interested to build things very fast, improve my ideas.
All right, I need to ask Owen to do some research on what games can we realistically make to be on this platform.
Yes.
And to map out what those games need functionality-wise, how their scoreboards are going to work, and do just a deep dive on games that are mobile-friendly that we can do that are leaderboard-based.
Sent that research prompt to Owen.
I said that gives you an advantage and a bit of knowledge of everything that's happening.
Let's go ahead and send the same prompt to Lily so we have a comparison.
I see that you have a very nice
Sending the same task to Lily.
that you're working in, but do you already have
And then lastly, let's send that prompt to an open code agent. So open an open code agent and then send that prompt.
No? Oh, you're gonna keep us waiting.
No.
Spawning an open code agent and sending the prompt.
I'm gonna build a deploy, so I get ready the deploy, and then I just keep going with the plan.
Alright.
All right, go ahead and send the prompt because you didn't send it yet.
Keep an eye on your Discord. When I call you, that means I bring
Okay,
you-
sending the prompt to the new agent now.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, peace, man.
Bye.
Let's go to Roberto. Roberto, I have him in my Discord. Chat, are you enjoying these interviews or not? Oh, I didn't ask that, Jay. Damn, Jay. I didn't ask that. I'll ask that after. Born to the beat. Let's call Roberto. Yo, what's poppin'? Hola. Hola.
Hi, what's up, Tommy? Can you hear me?
Muy bien, mi amigo. Muy bien.
Go ahead and tell Jordan to do whatever it needs to do to be able to do migrations to the Supabase project.
Yeah, Roberto, you're live right now, so just for the
Telling Jordan to
podcast,
start on the
I wanna ask
Supabase
you,
migrations.
How old are you? Where are you from, and how did you get into vibe coding? You hear me, Roberto?
Well,
Ah,
I'm
yeah.
from Costa Rica, and I am 38 years old, and I am being by coding for the last maybe 3 years ago,
Nice.
and
Nice, nice. You hear me good?
and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
well, like I said, my English isn't very good, but I'm
No
going to
problem.
try to explain me very well.
All right, no problem. Let me ask one thing. What challenge did you choose? All
To
right,
the tip tap game.
tip tap. One moment, Roberto. Hunter, can you please look at J35's messages and set up that stage or room
Yeah.
so then I can transfer? Hunter, can you get that done, please? Cassie, welcome to the stream. I'll be tapping in with you in a few, Cassie. So you chose Tip Tap Games. May I ask why you chose Tip Tap Games?
Because this is a very a new thing, and I think this would be for the people to get that impress. So
The
it's
wow
going
effect.
to be
The
fun
wow
too.
effect.
So
You wanna
this
you
is it.
the wow
That
effect.
is it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. And then usually what I ask is, it might be too early now, but have you got already a visual that you can show us of what you built, or are you still in planning stage?
I'm still in planning, but I'm going to make the image later. But
All right,
I'm just looking for the logic part first.
all right. Keep vibe coding. I'll let you continue and get focused, and I'm gonna go interview some other people. But I'll be back later, so keep an eye on your Discord. But we're gonna sort the Discord out over the next hour or so. All right, Roberto. Good luck. All right, that was Born to the Beat. Next up, Elliot. Ooh, I'd love to talk to Elliot. I want to catch up with him anyway from the first build he did, chat. He won the first competition, chat. He built an amazing voice agent, chat. And look at this vibe coding. Homie knows what his shit is, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Homie knows what's up, man. Look at that. All right, let's tap in with Elliot, man.
Hello.
Daldi, what's up, Elliot?
How's it going? Let me mute your stream real quick. There we go.
Yo, you're live on stream. Let me turn you up. Say something.
Hello.
Yeah, I think the stream can hear you. It might be a
Awesome.
bit quiet on your side, though.
Is that better? I was far away
That's
from my
way
mic.
better.
All right,
How
cool.
you doing, homie?
I'm good, and you?
First up, congratulations on winning the last challenge. And second up, for the stream, how old are you, where are you from, and how did you get into vibe coding? And then after, we're going to ask you all about what you vibe coding in, because that shit looks cool.
Yeah, so 29. I'm in America, so I'm in the Florida area, so that's where I'm
Nice.
at. Been vibe coding for about 2.5 years, probably. I don't know exactly, but let me
And
send
do
this
you have a
command real
technical
quick.
background?
Yeah, I mean, just in general, I've been doing like process development for companies since before AI even existed. So that means like onboarding solutions, just Salesforce stuff. Yep.
Nice. Can you explain us what we're looking at right now, the builder that you're vibe coding in?
Yeah, it's just something I built in my free, basically to just solve my own problems, but it's because I manage multiple subscriptions. So like I'll have like 3 codex subscriptions. So if you look super closely, I can have like codex primary, codex secondary. So these are technically running on 2 different subscriptions. So I can truly max out token usage.
All right.
And then if I click up here, it'll show me my usage. But basically I can just have any AI
That's
in here,
cool.
basically.
That's cool. I might have to talk to you about that, but that will be for another day. Might have to tap in. A good product always starts with solving your own problem first, so I think you're onto something.
Yeah. No, I mean, exactly. I agree with
Elliot,
that.
I see that you chose Tip Tap Games. Can I just ask you why you went for that challenge instead of the other two?
Just for me personally, always every solution I've ever built for a company and anything I've monetized is always in like a browser. I've never really did a mobile first application. So I just want to challenge myself, to be honest.
All right, nice. Excited to see what you're coming up with because I know that you're a G when it comes to vibe coding. And then maybe just a teaser. Is there anything you can already show us from visual, or are you still in planning mode?
Nah, nothing visual yet. I'm just working on the back end for, real time leaderboards and auth right now.
All right, all right, all right. Very cool, man. I'll be watching you and I'll be tapping in after. I'm gonna move on to the next vibe coder, but keep grinding and good luck.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, G. So all the vibe coders that are watching the stream, please come to the hackathon stage area, and then we'll be able to do voice better in a few hours.
Wait,
now,
that was in.
now I'm still gonna call the people. But we got Hunter setting it up, chat. Don't worry. Let's see who the next is. Freaky Ninja. All right, Freaky Ninja. Don't be shy. Even if your English is not good, don't worry. This is what the stream is all about. It's not just about vibe coding. It's learning about putting yourself out there, learning to talk about your product, learning because that's going to be the next stage. Once you vibe code $1 million app, you'll need to go to investors and go out there and get things done. Nice, Elia. I missed to ask that question to you. Nice. Nice. Elliot is tapped in, chat. I might have to take a class with Elliot one day. Let me call Freaking Ninja. Alright, let's see what he's up to, chat.
Tell Jordan to do the link. I shouldn't have to do the link. It should be able to do it.
What's up, Freaking Ninja?
Told Jordan to do.
Freaking Ninja, Freaking Ninja. Get that mic sorted, boy. Freaky, can you hear me? I think you gotta switch your mic, Freaky. Man, that's a great game that I'm seeing on Freaky's screen. You gotta tap that shit down. That motherfucker's smart, man. Ah, he's gone to toilet. Well, you should have He's funny. That's funny. You should have worded it. Don't worry, I'll call you back in a few. He's gone to toilet, chat, but he should have worded that a bit different. How he be vibe coding? He took his laptop to the toilet or what? But damn, homie is building something nice. I ain't gonna lie. Elliot has got the nicest setup till now that I've seen, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Elliot's setup shits on mine. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, you let me know. You let me know when you're ready. Alright, homie's working hard. Well, Elliot, you already impressed me multiple times, so I know you're a real one, man. Real recognize real. That's what they say on the streets, right, Elliot? What's poppin', thoughts? Alright, stick to the program. Call me on Discord, Freaky Ninja. Don't be chatting. Call me on Discord so the people get to hear you, and then we can move on to the next. Come on. Alright, Freaky Ninja, if you don't show up in 30 seconds, I'm moving on to the next, man. And then I'll let you continue building. Let me open Discord one moment. Let me see if Hunter's all set up. Alright.
All right, let's go ahead and ask Amber to give me full directions on what I need to do in Supabase to get Discord and Google Auth fully configured. Just give me a step-by-step guide for each of them in MD files so I can see them clearly.
I've asked Amber to create those guides for you.
see if they got that message, chat. Once they start popping in. All right, freaking ninja, I'ma pass you, man. You snooze, you lose, homie. Continue building, and we'll take it from there. Hunter, the big man. Love the name. He's got the same name as my nephew, chat. Let's call Hunter. Let's go into the Discord. I see they on Discord. Maybe I'll let Hunter do it. Call me, Hunter. Yo, Hunter. It's popping. Can you hear me? Don't worry about the video. Mic is good enough.
Okay.
How
That's
you doing?
good.
How you doing, Hunter?
I'm doing good, man. I'm excited.
All right. Shout out to you, first of all. Who doesn't know, chat, Hunter is one of the Buildathon winners back in the Buildathon Replit days. Shout out to him. He built a really great concept, High in 5. And Hunter, for those who don't know you, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you end up in vibe coding?
I'm 31. I'm in Kansas. And
All right, so we need to ask Jordan what we currently have built so I can get a baseline of what we can offload to other agents.
Yeah.
That being said, let's just see what we currently built, what we need to still do to get everything kind of flowing and working here.
Everybody on the
Mute yourself.
Discord.
You can mute yourself.
Agent Jordan is on it. I've sent your question about what's built and what's pending. Anything else you need from Jordan or the other agents?
Not at this time. Go ahead and close out our session.
Yeah,
Understood.
so,
Goodbye for now.
Started with the
Actually, go ahead and ask Amber to open those MD files on my computer.
and then I was able to
Asking Amber to open those markdown files. Anything else for her or someone else?
I'm not
No, that'll be
see
it.
my screen.
Yeah. The whole
All right.
scene,
Have a
so-
Nice. Yeah, so basically, I started with this. I hear everyone right now, Tommy.
Are you in Discord? Wait. Is
I
it
hear everyone in the Dollar Vibe Club.
in the Dollar Vibe Club? Damn, that must be a bug then. Try to hit the mute button a few times and just see if it mutes. And if not, just mute your browser on top. I think you can just mute your browser for now. We don't need audio there. I'm sorry for that, man. Learning as we go.
No, that's all good. That might have worked. There we go.
All right. Great.
Yeah. Let's start with this high in 5. Get unstuck in 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do later today, I'll be on call, so people can jump on here and brainstorm with me if they want to.
All right.
But right now, where did my chat go? I lost my chat. So right now, what I'm doing is I've built a project. Within Dollar Vibe Club Hackathon.
All right.
So I am starting with the base. I'm looking early on. I just did a deep research in ChatGPT to find out what was the most addictive games, why they were addictive,
Nice.
and then I am going to put together ideas from that. So right now I'm just brainstorming with my chat just to see what games would be fun for the idea in general.
Very cool.
Then after I get that, I'll use Codex to kind of build a good replit prompt, and then I'll start building it from there.
All right.
But I like to brainstorm first.
100%. And that's a nice approach. And that's some people get straight into coding and burning credits right away. But I always
Yep.
say to the stream, like, planning is 80% of your success.
Exactly. And I even I built within this, I built a devil's advocate. So what I do is I'm basically gonna have this chat disagree with all my ideas until I figure out a way to kind of yeah. So I'm building.
All
my
right,
own
so let's go ahead
council
and tell
right
Jordan
now.
that his next task should be to do the vertical snap feed and the endless feed features of the platform. Right now we can use placeholders for the games. Those games will be created by other agents.
I'll have something to show you.
All right, JR's got a question.
Sent that task to
JR's
Jordan.
got a question. He's wondering, in what tech stack are you going to build it, or is that something you leave up to the agent to decide for you?
Probably build it. I'm gonna build it in Replit, but I'm gonna use kind of Replit, ChatGPT.
Go ahead and ask Lily, are the games that we're mapping out, are they addictive games that people would play in 2026? I'm also thinking games like Crossy Road, but it's forever. But keep in mind that we're really needing to have unique assets, so we don't have any copyright infringement, but also I want a huge amount of games that people can play and easily get to.
All right, tap in later.
Forwarding your thoughts on game design to Lily.
Chat, I'm just gonna do the Discord calls like this, and Hunter, I think we should just do it like this for now. It's easier to call the people one-on-one. Well, I'm already winning in life. The fact that you guys are here and we've got about 25 vibe coders, that is making me so happy, chat. And I can see like my nerd approach where I do planning and shit. I like to see that Hunter's doing the same. You can clearly see that we are not hardcore tech bros, if you know what I mean. We are a bit more front-end guys who have an idea. And I've always built front-end websites, chat, but I love his approach. I also love the games that are coming when I read there before. So, why not all join the Discord channel instead, one by... I don't know how to do that right away, Abbas, and I don't got time to figure that out now, so I'll call you one by one, homie. Alright, let's go to the next vibe coder, chat. So, we just had Hunter. Next up is Kizzer. I haven't spoken to Kizzer in a while. Shout out to him. I've got him in my Discord as well, so I'm going to just dial him up right away. Man, we're living in the future, chat. Not even phone numbers now, we're just typing in names. Yo, what's up, my G? Kizzer?
What's good, Tommy? How are you doing?
Doing absolutely amazing. Yourself?
Loving life, living life, man. Thank you for hosting this, and congratulations, man. 200K subscribers really soon, man.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Been enjoying every step of the way since every buildathon, from the Replit ones until now that Replit is also supporting it. It's been great. Kizzer, I just want to introduce you, but can you remind me what prize you won on the last buildathon? I forgot.
Absolutely. We've been competing together in buildathons for a while. I know you were an Agent 4 winner, but it was in the Replit 10th birthday buildathon, and right. I placed 3rd place with Meeting Bingo. Nice.
Chat. So, Kizzer is already a proven vibe code hackathon winner. Not on my hackathon, but on another one. But he knows his stuff. Kizzer, for those.
All right, so go ahead and tell Lily to get this in an MD file that we can reference to start making some of the games come alive. One thing I do want to make clear is I want all the games to use a similar styling, so that way it doesn't feel like they're playing a bunch of different games from different developers. So let's keep that in mind. Also, I want it to all be...
I've passed that along to Lily. Anything else you want to add for the games or that styling?
No, not at this time. Go ahead and close our session.
And basically, chat, this is very important for people who want to sell projects commercially. You guys know it on stream. All I do is ship my projects commercially to clients. And this way, with this passport, you can actually show your clients that you're a certified Replit developer. Replit has been great to me for my business and has been great for the community. But this is what you're looking at right now, chat. All right, Kizzer. You chose the Vibe Coder passports. Nice.
100%. I called Codex BS. Every platform other than Replit is BS for me. So
no, I feel you.
I'll take that to the grave.
I feel you, but I do use Codex to plan my work in Replit, if that makes sense.
I feel it. Hey, I got no skin in the game. You know, I'm just repping my brand.
No. I'm just saying. I feel you, and that's why I don't think it's bad sometimes to like have agents talk to each other. Most of the time they're smarter than me. Oh, you're building multiple or what? You're just burning.
You know, the idea, Tommy, is like I want to figure out which approach I want to take, and so I'm going to be, you know,
looking
building
nice,
a few
man, what
different
you're showing.
approaches.
That's looking very nice what you're showing on screen right now.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna be, you know, I'm gonna build both of these in parallel, see which one I like a little bit more, and you know, hopefully the idea is I'll be able to in the next few hours really just lock in and then polish for the next, you know, 8-9 hours. But
All right.
yeah, the idea is, you know, only on a platform like Replit can you launch two crazy MVPs like this in literally less than an hour and a half.
That
right?
is the advantage of Replit. That is the advantage. Like most of them are just coding in one because, well, the rule was to not the rule. The option was to choose one. But if you're able to burn tokens like that, I would say do it, man. Run it. I love to see it. And at the same time, I wanted to ask you. Maybe you already answered. But do you have a tech background, Kiza?
Nah, no tech background at all. Just sales, logistics, operations, and yeah, I discovered honestly vibe coding just earlier this year.
Nice.
I organized a lot of events, so I was close to the people who were technical, but I could just never get into that semicolon,
No,
you
me
know,
neither.
single line of code type thing, you know?
Me neither, me neither. I feel you. Okay, very cool. I would say continue on building. I'm gonna go on to the next one, and I'll tap in with you later.
Sounds good, Tommy.
All right,
Looking forward
keep grinding.
to it. Cheers.
All right, chat. That's pretty cool. He's doing 2 challenges. Yeah, he's. I get why he's working in Replit, J35. He kind of. Oh, let me get that Avion, J35. I'ma sip some water, man. I haven't sipped since a while. I would be down, Jay. I would be down. I will be down. Just because you've been active and helping out in the chat, Jay, you can send it to me directly on Discord and I'll be down. 1 second, chat. We'll go on to the next vibe coder. And the next vibe coder is Mike. Orale, Mike. Be ready. I call you in 1 minute, homie. Orale. Sorry. I'm back. Sorry. I'm back. Orale, Mike.
There we go. What's up, brother?
Oh, doing amazing, man. I'm loving seeing all the vibe coders building their shit. Oh, doing amazing, man. I'm loving seeing all the vibe coders. I'm hearing myself echo out there.
Sorry about that. Hold on. Try to cut it a little bit, man. See if that does it. Hold on.
Mike's a G. Chat. Mike's also streaming every day. Well, Mike's streaming. I don't know if he's streaming every day. How you doing, Mike?
I'm doing phenomenal, man. I mean, this is a fun project. Thanks for putting this on, man. It's been a hell of a time, dude. I'm really having a ball here.
Great, man. Hearing that makes me even more happy, man. This was what the feeling I wanted to get is just see people happy and vibe coding. Wow, chat. Legion on the screen.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We just got done doing another major overhaul. We redid the whole platform, went from MP4 to Mux.js. We're building an online browser-based video editor system for people to do their YouTube videos.
Very nice. Mike, 1 moment for the stream. Let me ask, how old are you, where are you from, and how did you get into vibe coding?
Absolutely. I'm 52. I'm in the grand state of Texas. And I got into vibe coding because, well, there was this big resurgence into technology. I used to be in the conventional coding for a long time and decided, hey, let's get back into it. Now that we got the power of AI, let's make it happen.
Right. Mike, I want to ask something. Is this what you're building for the hackathon? I think you may miss
Right now, that's what we're doing. We're building the goals first, and then we'll make it ready.
I think you may have missed the brief. So if you go to the hackathon room and you scroll down, you will see 3 ideas. And it's actually one of those 3 ideas that you have to build.
Oh, you got to pick one of the 3? No big deal. I can start over.
You got to pick one of the 3. Yeah.
All right, let's see. No worries. I got you. This
All
should
right,
be
and
easy
there's
enough.
a full PDF with a briefing, so you know what we expecting, kinda.
Beautiful.
All right.
I will.
I'm
It's
gonna
all
let
right. I'll be
you.
able to catch you
I'm gonna let you
anyway,
continue.
man.
I'm gonna let you continue vibe coding, and I'll tap in with you in a few.
You bet. See you, brother.
Keep grinding. All right, chat. Mike missed the mission. Mike's getting onto the mission now. Mike, pick the right challenge and build. Everybody in the chat is hearing me okay? Because I'm seeing my name a few times. I think we should be good right now, chat, right? Test, test, test. Test, test, test. We should be good. I believe we should be good. I hope we're good. Drop some W's in the chat if you hear me. Right, and the next one we're going to move on to is Nathan. Let's get it. I'll call Nathan, but I've got to find Nathan's Discord. Let me see. Nate Gecko, here we go. All right, let's see what Nathan's building in chat. Nathan, you gotta accept me. Nathan, if you're watching the stream, please accept me on Discord, and then we can call each other. Let me go to Nathan's stream. Cassie, you should have access. Everybody has access. Just make sure you click the actual room, because usually it puts you in the lobby, so make sure you click the room. Alright, Nathan is accepting me right now. Alright. Yo, what's up, Nathan? You can hear me? We don't need camera, Nathan. We just need voice.
Yes.
We don't
All
need
right,
camera.
perfect.
Alright,
Perfect.
Nathan. I'm looking at your screen right now. So, first of all, thank you for joining the hackathon.
All right, so make sure Jordan knows that this entire platform should be mobile based. So essentially, if someone opens it up on a desktop, it should basically show a phone vertical view, and then basically have a cool way to show like they're playing on a phone, but on a vertical version on their desktop, essentially. But then also I want to make sure that when they're on a phone, it's a full screen experience.
I am 19 years old. I'm located in Florida right now.
Sent the mobile-first design requirements to Jordan.
And I first got into vibe coding probably around a year and a half ago with things like Lovable and Bolt. But around September of last year, I started getting into mobile app vibe coding. And since then, I've been vibe coding mobile apps.
All right, let's go ahead and start 3 fresh Claude codes.
Starting 3 fresh Cloud Code agents for you.
All right, and then let's name those 3 essentially the names 1, 2, and 3.
I can't quite do that automatically.
Dude, you should.
All right,
It's a big market.
so
maybe we can collaborate on that in the future. If you love creating mobile apps, we might have something to do there. But I love the design that you made. Pill pets, right?
Yeah, pill pets. That's
all right, so now I want you to talk to Owen and make sure he can see the agents Holly, Liam, and Riley.
Exactly, and what challenge you chose?
I've sent Owen the message to confirm he can see the others.
All right.
So, I chose the Tip Tap games. I think that'll be very fun to build out. I'm just setting up the GitHub and everything right now, so there's not really anything to show.
All right.
But if you guys tune into my stream over time, throughout the next 12 hours I'm going to be streaming, you will be able to see the progress.
All right, no problem. We've got a few people competing on Tip Tap, and it's exciting to see all the different styles and inputs coming. So I would say good luck to you. Keep streaming. I'll check in from time to time.
Thank you.
And catch you later.
All right, thank you.
All right. W's, Nathan.
All right, so I want Owen to look at the file called game_catalog_style_guide.md, and I want him
Yeah,
to
pop in at
pick
the home
3
page.
of the
I think it's
games
slow
that I
voice room
want
going on
these
here,
3 agents to work
where I
on.
can just pop in.
Again, they all need to be aware that
I'll
these
just
are
pop into his
mobile
voice room, chat.
games
I'll
that
just
will
pop
be
into his
full
voice
screen
room.
experiences, and they need to
What's up,
be
Nick?
all touchscreen based,
Tommy!
easy to
How you
play,
doing, man?
and addicting.
Good to see you, my man. We are living
Owen's on
life,
it. He's
eh?
reviewing
We
the style
are
guide to
just
pick those
bumping.
3 mobile
I'm
games.
nervous because it's the first hackathon I've ever done, but having a blast. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. Just talking with all the vibe coders, seeing everybody smiling and vibing. It's literally what I had in mind. Chat, before we go any further, I'm going to drop Nick's channel. He's doing an amazing job. Go subscribe to him. He's really, you can see that he's passionate about it, chat. And that's all I say is when you get streaming, as long as you love it, you'll find success very fast. Go rate this chat. I'll send this stream here. Drop some W's there.
Let's go. W's in the chat, baby.
Chat. Here we go. And now I'm back on your screen, Nick. Maybe just for the viewers on my end, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding, man?
Yeah, so how's it going, guys? My name is Nick. I'm from just outside Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I am 26 years old, and my background is not in software development necessarily. I work as a structural engineer, designing buildings, and I'm super duper passionate about that. But the vibe coding space, I've always had a sweet spot for AI, and I've really recognized that the structural engineering industry is very laid back, pretty old school, conservative, and I wanted to seriously create the next modern movement for how buildings are going to be designed. So I've been really invested in AI, following a lot of YouTubers. Of course, the impact BridgeMind has had on the community has been massive.
Shout out to BridgeMind, chat.
In terms of, dude, yeah, he's been awesome. He was a big reason that got me started into, I got to buy a PC and start vibe coding. So
100%.
I've just been getting into vibe coding. Honestly, just started my journey about a month ago. I'm on day 22 of vibe coding until I can move out of my mother's basement.
Well, I told you already, the basement looks pretty cool. A lot of people are jealous in my chat about that basement, I tell you that.
I know that was one of the first things that you said. Why would you want to move out, Nick?
Yeah, man. I'm a true can you remind me one more time how old you are, Nick?
I'm 26.
Oh, 26. All right. So I'm a true believer.
Yeah, time to move out, right? Time to get out.
No. I'm definitely a true believer that you stay with your parents until you're 30. I'm 40 now, so I stayed with my parents until I was 30.
Wow, you're a young 40, man. I gotta say, you look great.
Oh, thank you. No stress is the key to looking young, I think.
Amen.
Anyway, Nick, I just
all right, so let's go ahead and give these games to these agents to start working on their foundations. One thing I want us to keep in mind is our styling for all of the icons of, for example, the leaderboard and all that will be overlaid on the right-hand side, kind of like how TikTok has it when you are scrolling on videos.
That's a really interesting approach for the layout. Which agents were you thinking of assigning that to, so I can send that prompt over?
So you're going to have Owen assign the games to Holly, Liam, and Riley.
I'm working in Claude Code, Opus 5.
Got it. I've asked Owen to coordinate with Holly, Liam, and Riley on assigning the games and to keep that styling approach in mind.
You might have to tag it Slopus 5 because we are currently waiting on something to develop here. But I got some cool ideas coming. I got the chat coming up with a list of 100 different games that are the main idea is to just bring back nostalgia.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's very cool. The fact that you just said the word nostalgia, that's what I had in mind when I was making that PDF.
Oh yeah.
I was thinking Game Boy vibes kind of, but I know what you mean. So it's cool that you said that.
Amen. Yeah. For me, it was the chat was very excited to see this. So we're gonna provide something very soon. I'm hoping we could get a working demo, hopefully in the next couple hours here.
All right, we'll be watching. I'm gonna go on to the next vibe coder, but we'll be tapping in from time to time and just interviewing you. We're just gonna do the interviews like this on Discord. It's easier, and in yours, I'll just pop in your stage. I'm just learning about Discord. Like just as you, I don't really know how to work Discord, so I'm figuring it out as we go.
Yeah, same here, man. We'll figure it.
All right, Nick, keep grinding, and I look forward to see in the next few hours what you come up with. W's in the chat.
Got it, Tommy. We'll see you soon.
See you soon, homie. Nick is hype as fuck, man. Look at Nick. Look at fucking Nick, chat. W's in the chat for Nick, man. He's cooking. His energy is really good, but you can see Noxious, he really loves what he's doing. And that's what I mean, man. If you're passionate about it, if you're obsessed by it, like, you'll continue. All right, next up we have Nova, the man, the myth, the legend. One of our top moderators, Mr. Aldin. Is he back? Is he grinding? Is he back? Is he grinding? I fuck with Nick too, Kizza. Nick's got a really good vibe, man. And like I said, I would live in that basement as long as I could, man. I'd launch $2 million companies from that basement, chat. All right, let's pop into Aldin. Let me call him on Discord. One moment. Aldin, can you send me a message on Discord? I can't seem to find you, man. You keep changing names all the time. Yeah, send me a message real quick. I think we're friends already, though. Aldin, where you at, man? Where? Friends. Aldin. How do I accept chat? Chat, how do I accept the homie? Oh, message requests. J35, accept DM. Friend requests. Nova. Dark. I don't see your friend request, man. You tagged me, alright. Let me go to the Dollar Vibe Club room. Aldin. Accept. Message. Call him. What's poppin', my G? Skirt. Bullet. Bullet. You good, Aldin?
I'm good, thankfully. Yeah, I got my new PC today, so
Wow.
we're back on the grind.
Right on time. Lucky for you that we moved it to Saturday rather than Friday. Shout out to the PC
Yeah,
delivery
very
people.
Very lucky.
Okay, Aldin. First of all, most people in the chat know you as our moderator. So shout out to you for keeping the chat in lock and keeping them in timeout. If something goes wrong, you know what to do. You got that magic button. For the viewers that don't know, Aldin, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding?
Yeah, so I'm 25 years old. I'm from Bosnia, and I got into vibe coding a few years ago. I forgot to count anymore, honestly. I was working for a company. We were basically working on e-commerce products. I was like an email marketing manager, so I wanted to improve my workflow, basically automate it. So that's when I got into vibe coding. I used Cursor to basically create an AI workflow that worked for me, and I was just like chilling from 9 to 5, enjoying my day.
Nice.
Yeah, that's about it.
All right, nice. I see you working in Replit. You've worked in Replit before, I think, because you watch my stream, so I guess you know what Replit was, right?
Yep.
All right, nice. I see you already doing it the right way. You linked to the Git. Very smart, very good.
Yeah. I had Replit create my like core.
Yeah.
Pushed it to GitHub from Replit. Then I had Codex pull it from GitHub, start working on it. I'm mostly working on the design first. The core is there. I want to finish the design, the assets and everything. Then I'll get to the like main functions in every game. I am doing tap as well.
All right. Okay. Nice. Chat. What Aldin just said is absolutely my workflow as well. I've shipped over 50 projects like that. Replit as your core setup foundation, possibly your database if you don't need a major database, and then get it connected on your Git island and get your agents coming to the island, doing the work, and then pulling it into Replit. I'm telling you, the infrastructure behind Replit, chat, is unseen. They're not a $9 billion company for no reason, you know what I mean? Aldin, can I ask you, why did you choose TipTap instead of the other two?
I chose it because you know
One
I'm
moment.
working
Shout
on
out to
that
you,
vibe
Soul
code.
Music. Thanks for the positive energy. Love you, homie. All right, Aldin, continue.
Yeah, I removed his message because of the negativity. I don't like those
It's
people.
all good.
You know, I'm working on the Vibe Coders game. I've mentioned it a couple of times.
Yeah.
So I want to use this hackathon, these 12 hours, to work on my skills on the web games, so I can use it on the Vibe Coders games and improve it as much as I can.
Nice, nice, nice. Can you show us anything already? Because that's the beautiful part about Replit chat. You get visuals.
Should I?
But should he chat? Drop some W's in the chat if he should. Don't show it yet, Aldin. If we get W's, he'll show us some shit. Might need to start.
I purposefully switched the tools instead of the preview so it doesn't show.
No, I feel you. I'm seeing some. Chris, shout out to you, man. Welcome to the stream, Chris. Yeah, I'm seeing W's, Aldin. I think you need to show because other people showed as well. Pure motivation.
Yeah,
well,
honestly, just
Aldin,
the main
give me 1 second because you're moderator. Give me 1 second to talk to Saul. Give me 1 second. Saul.
You got it.
Saul. Anything that you're saying, you can't get this. You can't get this with fake. I've got a letter from Neil, CEO. Like, you don't get this with fake. So, Saul, come up, come correct, come with some good energy, Blooder. Don't be jealous, and we'll teach you how to do it. All right, Blood. Let's continue, Aldin.
Yeah, sure. So
I think it's time to show.
I'll show you a thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
And I'll show you something else as well.
All right.
So this is the thumbnail I'm gonna use.
Wow, that is looking very. I've seen a lot of tip taps already, but it's looking a very different style. That's interesting.
Sir, I wanted to make it unique, and
you motherfuckers gonna make it hard for me to judge.
So why the fuck not?
You guys are gonna make it hard for me to judge. I might have to get Manny and Francisco and Raymar if they want to join in on judging, because damn chat, we already see the first game on stream. That's amazing. That's looking really cool, man.
The game is not done, but the visuals are.
yeah, the visuals is the most important. That's the wow effect first, and then the game comes.
Yeah.
All right,
I didn't want it to make it like a middle screen, just a phone. I wanted to make it with a background as well, so it pops out.
No. I see what you're doing. That looks really cool. All right, I would say I'm gonna let you continue grinding and vibing because I think you're onto something. And I'll be interviewing you later on, so just keep your Discord in eye. And I'm gonna go on to the next vibe coder.
Yes, sir. Good luck.
Big love for you, man. Clap for being the mod. All right, we just did Nova. The next one is Prime. What is Prime building? We'll go to Prime in a few moments. Nah, it's all good, baby. I'm never angry, Saul. That's why I stay looking 20, homie.
Dude, what the heck?
That's why I stay looking 20, homie. I don't believe in anger. I don't believe in hate. I just believe in educating dumbasses. So sometimes I gotta educate, you know what I mean? Everything's organic, baby. And Saul, I don't have to justify myself to you, but obviously I use the $2-3 promote button from YouTube, obviously. All right, let's go to Prime. Let me see if I've got Prime. Let me see if I've got Prime. Where is Mr. Prime? Prime Ash, here we go. Accept it, let's call him. Yo, what's poppin', my G? Test. Your mic good? Prime, I think your mic's muted in Discord. Prime, you hear me? Prime. I'll give you 30 seconds to figure out the mic. Let me know if you can figure it out. Hallins, you should have access just as everybody. Just go to the hackathon room and make sure you click this one, Hallins. Open the menu and go to the hackathon room. Go to the hackathon room and you should have access. I remember adding you to the table, so your seat is reserved somewhere. Prime, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes. What's up, my G?
What about you?
Doing amazing. Prime, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding?
I'm 27. I'm originally from Tunisia, but now I live in Spain. And I've been I'm originally a software engineer, so I've been vibe coding for a long time.
All right.
And before that,
One moment, Prime. Shout out to Tunisia. One of my best friends, one of my brothers is from Tunisia. I was in Tunisia 7 years ago for a wedding. Lovely country, lovely people. Shout out to Tunisia, chat. All right,
Shout
Prime.
out to him.
Prime,
Yes.
you've been a software coder.
All right, ask Owen what other games do we have mapped out for this platform and how many is there?
One moment, I'm sending that question to Owen right now. I'll let you know when he gets back.
I like the passport, but honestly, I think I can't have think of a creative idea to build it, if you know what I mean.
All right.
But most likely I will go with Once Upon a Doodle for now.
Oh, nice. The Once Upon a Doodle, I haven't seen a lot of that yet, so that might be good to have a Once Upon a Doodle one. All right.
Yeah, if it works.
Can I ask, what are you working in right now? This is not an AI tool, right? This is SuperDraw, or what is it?
Yeah, I just built this. You know Excalibur.
I've heard
It's
of
something
it.
like that, but yeah, it's I tried to use AI with it, so I created with an MCP and everything. So I talk with Codex, and he updates this canvas in real time.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. All right, I might have to tap into you to use SuperDraw on my streams if you don't mind.
Yeah, no problem, of course.
All right, and it works with a subscription. Just with a subscription, you can connect it to GPT.
No, actually, GPT. If you're using Codex, your local application,
exactly.
It will be able to. It will be able to open it itself and run it. Yeah.
Exactly. Smart.
Using
All right.
the MCP.
Prime, I'm very excited to see what you're building, and I would argue the Doodle is a good opportunity because I've seen a lot of Tip Tap and I've seen 2 or 3 passports. I haven't seen a Doodle
Yeah,
yet.
that's what I think. Yeah. Yeah,
All right.
I think so.
All right. I'll be back later. Continue building, continue planning, continue vibe coding, and I'll check in after. We've still got a while to go.
Yes, of course.
All right, Prime. Talk to you later, man. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, chat. Prime is taking it really slow but planned out. Prime is coming with a mission. All right, we got the homie Prince, chat. We got the homie Prince. Prince, I need you to send me a message on Discord, man, because I can't see it. Yeah, I can't find you, Prince. You gotta send me a message on Discord if you can hear me, Prince. There we go.
All right, so I want us to launch 3 more Claude agents, and then put 3 more games in build mode.
How you doing?
Have Owen do this.
Oh, hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm launching those 3 Claude agents now. Owen will get those 3 games into build mode.
Thank you for joining the hackathon, and maybe just for my viewers, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding?
Here, real quick, tell Owen to use Emma, Molly, and Grace
I just have my birthday
to build the other games.
Mate.
Happy birthday. Thanks a lot.
I've sent that message to Owen.
I'm from India and currently in Delhi.
Nice.
I'm an undergraduate
student here of this Delhi Technological University, and it's like I'm a student of AI ML only. My main research area is that. I am a very passionate about computer vision stuffs, and that's why I chose the this Doodle Dreams thing that I have working on.
Nice.
And
Nice.
yeah, that's like. You want
All
me to
right.
explain further?
All right. No, I want to ask you something right away, Prince. I see that
Sure,
you're
sure.
working in. I see that you are working in Lovable, and I was wondering, did you try Replit as well? Because we have a free code today to try Replit.
Uh, Actually, I haven't worked with Replit before or anything, so I just made my account as you can see.
Yeah.
But I haven't started working on it. So I'll just say that since the Chat GPT is my main brain for this whole thing, so I'll just say to Chat GPT that let's include the Replit also.
All right.
So basically, I'm trying to involve every agent that I have, from Lovable to Gemini, Claude, Anti Gravity, anything and everything to my use case. So why not to
Can I
add
can I
Replit also?
ask you how you ended up with Lovable as your main vibe coding tool? If you go back to Lovable, do you like have a full-time account on it? Do you deploy projects on it for everything?
Yeah, I have made several projects on it,
All right.
and I actually got a Lovable Pro account also for me. That was because of some, I don't know. I was building a AI engineer operating system. It was like a gamification model of your daily tasks for improvements. So it was like we have a game, like the thing. Like there's an anime solo leveling, so it was like that level 11 C rank and something something. So I just made the front end here and let the anti-gravity handle the back end for it.
All right,
So
nice,
it's
nice,
like
nice. If I was you, Prince, and that's just my advice. I'm 40 years old, so I'm double your age. I've been in the business for
sure.
over 25 years. My advice is the fact that you're building already nice stuff in Lovable. I would really try Replit. I would argue
Sure,
that
sure,
Replit is 5x when it comes to what Lovable is capable of. But I understand if you have a paid account in Lovable, you're free to build in whatever you want. But today, take advantage of the free code so that you can use and test Replit, because I think it will change your workflow.
Sure, I will on it, and the next time you'll see me doing it, it will be on Replit also. So yeah, I'll try to include that also.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna let you continue building, Prince, and I'm gonna move on to interviewing the next vibe coder. Good luck, keep up the good work, and I hope to check in after and see more.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Glad
All right.
to be a part of it.
All right, Prince. Happy to have you, man. All the way from Delhi.
Thank you.
All right, chat. Who do we have next? The man, the myth, Quad. Big boss Quad. Let me go to Quad, chat. Yo, Quad.
How you doing?
Doing amazing yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Quad, first of all, thank you for joining. Means a lot.
Thank you for hosting, yeah.
And maybe just for the chat real quick, who are you, where are you from, and how did you get into vibe coding? And while you're doing that, I'm gonna drop your channel in the chat. So everybody go raid his stream, drop some W's, sub up. He's been in it. Go ahead.
Yeah, well, I've been vibe coding for about 3.5 years now. You know, I've been developing for, 20 years. I started with Python. The past 12 years, I've been working in my career building out phone systems and programming the backends of phone systems. So that's kind of what I did as a career. Yeah, 3.5 years ago, copy and pasting back and forth between ChatGPT and whatever I was working on right inside the chat. And I'm from Tampa, Florida originally. Now I live kind of like in the suburbs outside Tampa.
Nice.
I guess that's basically it. Did I miss anything?
Whoever is in the USA, if you look at the screen right now, you can actually call Quad. He's got a red phone behind him, if I remember it right.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
So if you guys
you
want to
can give
give
me
him
a call.
tips, if you guys want to give him tips or advice on his submission, just call him, chat. If you're in the USA.
Yeah, that's my Vibe phone. It's a phone system I'm building out. Hopefully bringing to market pretty soon. So
Very cool. Quad, I want to ask you, out of the 3 challenges, which one did you pick?
I did the tip tap one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
We see that you've got a whole setup. Can you explain us what's going on here?
Yeah, sure. This is Quad Flow. This is kind of like my IDE.
All right, you built this yourself. Nice.
Yeah, I built this back like January, February. Just kind of my multiplexer for different terminals, and this is actually the Claude app. Like it's pretty cool. I can like drag and drop any application into here. Like this is Notepad exe, right? I could just kind of hold Control Shift and actually that might be a bad example.
Well,
but yeah,
I see
any app.
I see what you did with the Claude settings and stuff like that. So, wow, that's smart. Actually,
Yeah.
I didn't know you could do that.
Well, this is just the Claude app, right? And then that's how I just attach it in there, so I could kind of keep it on my screen. And I'm only doing that to keep
Very
track.
cool.
Normally, I don't have this open, but I'm like, I was saving my credits specifically for today, so I'm like
Nice.
running short.
No, I feel you. I feel you. We're all on that. We're all on waiting. Always on that reset. They always got us waiting on that reset. I ain't gonna lie. Quad, is there anything you can show us already from a preview, or you want to keep it on the low for now?
I'll be honest. It's mostly just a white screen, so you know
Alright.
this is it. No games yet. I'm logged in. That's basically it. So, but
I can't see anything on the screen right now, so you might be sharing, or well, the screen that I'm looking at right now, I just see your limit rate and then your terminals. But no problem.
Oh, it's probably delayed because it's I'm sharing my live stream on
Alright.
YouTube. That's what I'm sharing on Dollar Vibe Club. But you'll see it in a second. It'll pop up on there.
All right, no problem, no problem. Oh yeah, I just see it. Indeed,
It's just a white screen.
Yeah, I see it. All right, okay. No, I'm gonna let you continue vibing. I know you. I believe it was you that told me you're on some timing today, so I'm gonna let you stay focused and get it done.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I got about 2.5 hours left, so we'll see what we could do.
All right, put them agents to work. Put them agents to work.
All right, thanks, man. Talk to
All
you
right, Quad. I'll tap in later. Bye bye. All right, that was Quad. He's still working. Next up, Sunrise. Let me find Sunrise. Shout out to Blue. Sorry, chat. Let me just take a moment to acknowledge everybody in the chat because I've been not reading the chat. So shout out to Soul Music. Soul Music was a naughty kid. He had to be timed out, chat. Shout out to Elliot. Shout out to Blue Cactus AI. I'm gonna clap it up for you guys. Kizza, you know the vibes, Kizza. J35, thank you for being here today as well, for helping a bit. And yeah, Halins, let me know if you were able to join the hackathon. And if you weren't, let me know if it worked or not. But let me see. I'm not seeing you share your screen, so let me know if it worked, Halins. Thank you, Blue. I really appreciate that, man. Let's do the next one. The next one's Sunrise. So let's call it. I don't know where the homie is from, chat. Sunrise. Yo, what's up, G?
Yo,
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing amazing. First of all, thank you for joining the hackathon. And maybe for the stream, can you tell us how old you are, where you're from, and how did you get into vibe coding?
Yeah, so I'm 16. I'm from Estonia, and I got into vibe coding just recently after
That's a pretty good for a 16-year-old. Sunrise, what challenge did you choose?
I chose the tip-tap games.
Nice. And you can show us something, or you're still building?
I can actually show a few things. I'm pretty sure I'm actually sharing my screen
Before
right
you
now.
before you go ahead, let me ask you: is this the first time you're working in Replit?
Yeah.
And what's your thoughts on it?
It's amazing.
Exactly. All right, I'll rest my case, chat. I'll rest my case. Okay, continue. Show us what you got.
So that's my snake game for now. Trying to
nice.
improve it. It's a little cluttered.
No, but I see where you. All right, nice. Swipe down. Boom. You got the very. Whoa. Very nice.
I got upgrades here, what you can buy to like progress faster. I got that game needs fixing. It's a bit broken.
Very nice.
He's
very
like
nice.
The dodging game. A color match. Each time you choose the color, it goes slightly faster, so you gotta react faster.
That's.
He's also kind of color match.
All right. Pause it. Don't show too much. Other hackers are watching as well, eh? But this is looking very nice. I would say put in the work. And I would say, if you're new to Replit, definitely make sure you connect it to a Git. And if you've got agents externally, you can work that way as well. But if you're just focusing on Replit, all right, I see you're already working here and there. Okay.
Yeah.
You know the vibes. I don't need to tell you what to do. Shout out to you, man, for being tapped in at such a young age. I'm telling you, if you lock in for the next 2-3 years, you'll be at the top 1% moving forward. Great work. Keep it up, Sunrise. I'll tap in with you after.
Yeah, alright.
Good luck.
Thanks.
That's nice chat. Damn, I'm blown away. 16 years old. I'm like double that homie's age. This is fun. Just ate lunch. I'm refueled. Watch out. Let's go, Hunter. Elon Musk. He was right. Told me there's no limits on API. I don't know what that means, Elon Musk. Can you tell that to... or can you send that to my nephew Hunter? But as long as we're running right now, I think we're running good. What API are you talking about, Elon? I don't know anything about that. It's above my pay grade. Hunter in the Discord or the bug channel. Aldin, yes sir. Stop with that food, man. I don't want to eat yet, chat. All right, let's go to the homie Turaya next, chat. The homie Turaya. What does rate limiting mean? That's how many times people can visit the site, right? That's just so we don't get DDoS, chat. Enjoy lunch, Kizza. Yeah, I'm using Cloudflare and stuff. We gotta deal with that, chat, because obviously people are watching our streams and there's annoying people out there that don't got nothing better to do but annoy us. So I gotta put these rate limits on. I gotta do these things. That's just mandatory, chat. Next up, Turaya. Let's call Turaya, chat. One moment. Here we go. Turaya might be having a bathroom break. Yo, what's up, Turaya?
Hello?
Yo, what's up, G?
Yo, what's up, Tommy? What's good?
I'm good. I'm amazing. Yourself?
We're doing good. We're doing good.
All right. Turaya, I want to ask you something first. How do I actually pronounce your name? Because I'm just making shit up when I read it on stream.
It's actually not that far. You pronounce it Turaya, but it's Turaije.
Turaije.
Yes.
Turaije. All right. I'll remember that moving forward. Turaije. Turaije.
Yeah, whatever is easier. Whatever is easier for you.
All right. First of all, thank you for joining the hackathon. I know you've been an OG in the chat. I know you've been working on your Fiverr, and we're going to get into Fiverr next week after the hackathon. But shout out to you for participating and supporting these past weeks, months. Shout out to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Tommy. Thanks for having us. The opportunities are really good and the knowledge is incredible. Everyone in the Dollar Vibe Club is really talented, so it's really great to be here.
All right. Just to get my first questions in, how old are you? Where are you from? And how did you get into vibe coding? Can you say it one more time?
Turaiji.
Turaiji. All right. I might
So,
mess up a few more times, but you know it's not on purpose.
it's good. 28 this year. I turned that in June. I've been vibe coding for about, I would say, three years now, maybe a little bit longer than 3 years. Ever since the OG ChatGPT, copy the code from ChatGPT days. No Codex, no Claude.
We've all been there.
So
We've
yeah,
all been there. We've all been there.
yeah. Prior to that,
Did you have a
yeah,
background in tech?
yeah. Prior to that, I did computer science, so I've always loved tech and programming. I was working for a software development company. We used to do a lot of website design, a lot of WordPress and small consumer softwares.
All
So
right. That's nice. That's
yeah.
nice. I also did a lot of WordPress in my time, and we're gonna talk about WordPress, you and me, soon, but we'll keep that for another day. Just to ask, what challenge did you pick out of the 3 challenges?
So I picked the Tip Tap games.
Nice.
I think it's if I get it right, it's a really nice idea. It has a lot of creative freedom where you can have really cool experiences, sort of nostalgic vibes and cool games. And for the 12-hour sprint, I felt like it's something that you could sort of get really into and have something to present at the end, rather than I was kind of worried I'd get too zoned in on one of the others and might not have something to.
I see you
Yeah.
are working in Claude, or are you just planning in Claude and gonna deploy in a vibe code application, or you're gonna do it in Claude?
I'm doing more. I'm actually using both Claude and Codex for different things.
All right.
So I'm having Codex do most of the execution, and then I'm trying to have Claude do sort of the creative tasks. So
Okay.
that's sort of.
I see that you're still in planning mode, but is there anything you can show us already?
I could show you briefly a sort of visual direction I had, where I was trying to get ideas for a visual style
Okay, that looks
for the app.
nice.
Yeah, and sort of a sort of styling, but I've not locked it in yet. So
All right. It's
yeah.
still early. It's still early. We'll let you continue. I'll be back later to have a check-in and another interview, and hopefully by then we get to see some previews. But good luck to you. Keep vibe coding.
Go ahead and let's
I'm gonna
continue
move on
talking
to
to
the next
Piper
vibe
about
code,
the
and I'll catch up with
styling
you
of
later.
this application.
Can
I'm
you say
wanting
your
it to
name one more
feel
time for me?
natural and human-like.
Turaiji.
So I want the
Turaiji.
branding to be
Turaiji.
like handwriting
Turaiji.
font
Alright.
and
Turaiji.
really just
Talk to you
friendly.
later.
We need to make sure that this
Alright,
is
talk to you
kid-based. We need to use big colors. We need to make sure it's legible though at the same time.
I've sent those creative ideas over to Piper just now.
Gotti,
Anything
join our
else you'd like to
Discord.
add to the
There's definitely
discussion?
a bunch of people with
No, not this
full
time.
stack
Close out the
development,
voice.
but full stack is above my pay grade.
All
Chat, I
right,
already
signing
forgot
off.
how to pronounce his name. Turaiji. Turaiji. It's Turaiji and not Turaya. Turaiji. All right, we got Mr. Zoodle. Zoodle is a new viewer. Just go to DollarVibeClub.com and it will be there. Let me see if I can post it. Doctile, I can't play the effect today, Doctile, because I'm full in a show, but welcome to the stream, Doctile.